you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, I'm happy to see you today too. Let's tell me, what's in your name?
My name is Teacher.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Yes. Okay, now I want you to look at here and tell me, what sound is this?
E.
Yes. And the action, countryside is? Yes. How does it sound?
O.
Good. Okay, now let's take me to play.
E. It. O. E. Fish. Fish.
No. Big. Here is. Here is.
O. Stop.
Home. Okay.
R. Dog.
Okay. And next part in part 2, listen and this. A. Listen and choose picture number 1. Okay, I say sword. Can you read two? Which one?
Real.
Yes. Number 2. Hawk. Number 2 is green hawk.
Real.
Number 3. Sit.
Real.
Number 4. Lit.
Real.
Number 5. Be heavily and hot.
Real.
Okay. Now, let's choose the words. The finger in number 1. Big. Really big. Number 1 here. Big.
Real.
Big here. Okay, number 2. Stop. Really stop.
Real.
Stop here. Number 3. Strict.
Real.
Number 4. Home.
Real.
Number 5. Big.
Real.
Okay. Now in practice about the police, you will find the missing child in number 1 and number 2. Number 1. What is it? What is it?
Dog.
So the missing child here is.
No.
The missing child here is.
E.
Okay. Number 2. What is this?
A hill.
So the missing child here is.
Here.
What sound is this? Which one?
Here.
Yeah. What sound is this?
E.
Good job. Okay. And the small. Okay. Okay. And the last part today, part 4. Wait. Let me need to wait from number 1 to number 2. Number 1.
E.
Look.
Look at the bees. Here. Bee. Bee are the bee.
Good job.
Look at the pot.
The stalk.
The stalk.
The
The stalk is on the stalk.
stalk is the hawk.
The stalk is top.
It's the hawk.
The stock